Unlock the secrets of the new and improved ChatGPT, your gateway to the latest information. Imagine a world where the limitations of accessing real-time data are obliterated, where ChatGPT, once bound by the constraints of 2021 data, is now supercharged to fetch the most up-to-the-minute information for you. In this exclusive video, we're peeling back the curtain to reveal not one, but 2 groundbreaking methods that will catapult your ChatGPT interactions into the future, enabling it to tackle tasks previously deemed impossible. Dive in as we embark on a journey to explore, analyze, and summarize the freshest of articles, ensuring you're always in the loop with the most current news and data. Your next-level ChatGPT adventure starts now. Method 1. Use the browser with Bing function in ChatGPT. First, you need to have a ChatGPT 4 account to use this feature. Instructions on how to activate browser with Bing. I will start by asking ChatGPT to summarize a Washington Post article for me. However, ChatGPT returns that it cannot access, and the system automatically searches for this news from another related source. The reason ChatGPT cannot access Washington Post may be because this website blocks bots from AI. In part 2 of this video, I will try another way. Please wait and see. Next, I will ask ChatGPT to summarize another website with an AI theme for me. This time, it seems to have worked well. To learn more about ChatGPT's capabilities, I will ask a current affairs question to see if the answer is correct. I tried asking which team won the 2022 World Cup and who won the Golden Ball. ChatGPT's answer is accurate, which is great. It will help me get the latest information for my blogs or come up with ideas for my YouTube videos. In the first case, ChatGPT could not access Washington Post, so I would like to try another plugin to see if it can access. Method 2. Use web browser plugin for ChatGPT. Step 1. Configure ChatGPT account and install plugin login to your account. There are many plugins to do this. However, I have tried more than 10 previous plugins, and Webpilot is the plugin that I find the best. You need to perform the following 2 steps to use the plugin, and go to Settings and Beta and Future Beta and enable the plugin feature. Then select New Chat and choose GPT-4 and choose Plugin. Next, click on the arrow button and scroll down to the bottom and select Plugin Store and search for Webpilot and install. After installing the Webpilot plugin, you need to check the box next to this plugin to use it. Step 2. Writing prompts. At this step, I will use the Webpilot plugin to request a summary of a Washington Post article. It seems that the Webpilot plugin works better than the built-in feature of ChatGPT, which is the browser with Bing. It operates on websites that Bing cannot access. I will continue to try it with a prompt about Messi to see if it performs well. Regarding the question about Messi, Webpilot also provides very accurate answers. With this testing, I will continue to use Webpilot as the plugin for browsing. You can use this feature in many situations. If you encounter any difficulties, please leave a comment and we will answer your questions. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to help us stay motivated to create more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to respond. Thank you for watching the entire video.